I am Ankit Gupta.
Jay Mordani. I am handling retail sales for Redington.
My name is Dhiren and I handle HP for Carrefour.
My name is Ratan.
My name is Pankaj.
The best thing which I like about the course is the instructor, Mr. Ramesh. He sat with me for an hour before this course started, and the course was designed in a manner that it was very, very relevant. Each example and all the discussions, they were very relevant to what we actually do on a day-to-day basis. So I can connect to it in a much better way.
Interesting, and it was interactive as well. A lot of times like the team was quite participating. So the agenda, what we had decided, we have achieved.
It was a pretty good training. The best part what I liked about the training was the interaction, the proper interaction between the trainer and the trainees. Apart from that, the group discussions, the sales call, the role plays which we have done, it was simply amazing.
And the negotiation was very good. Role play, I think, was the best. I think we should do it in the office. It will help my team, myself, to understand customers, and we can get a lot of feedback from people.
The best thing is to be prepared before going to meeting a customer, and how do you negotiate with them? What is the body language? How do you react to their body language? And then how do you close, basically? Those kind of stuff, which is very, which we were doing it, but it is more structured now.
The main thing which we learnt is that you have to plan before going for a sales call, and as well as we learned some good negotiation techniques. So that will surely help us in our day-to-day sales.
The best thing about the course was it was tailored as per our needs, so we could better relate to it.
I understood in a very better manner now, and I'll be able to implement it better. Asking the right questions, be prepared before going for on a sales call. These are some of the things which the concepts are revised, but in a very, very effective manner.
More professional than how I've been doing it all this time.
I would definitely like to attend more of such programs. I mean, hopefully if Redington would, in future again come back to your academy, it will be really good. Because this was one program where I think we learned more than what we generally do.
Everything was good.
Do you recommend this course to others?
Definitely.
Definitely, I would recommend this course.
Surely, we would do that.